Hello and welcome to Being Amrita, Chef and Beyond. I'm Amrita Raichand, and as sad as I am that the year has come to an end, I am equally excited that a new year is beginning. And what better way to celebrate the new year than with yummy, amazing and healthy food? So for this new year, I have decided that I'm going to stay at home. I'm going to get lots of children, my son's friends, to come over, and I'm going to cook a lot of yummy food for them. One of them is going to be this very excitingly tasty fish fingers. I mean, children love fish fingers, don't they? But these fish fingers are not going to be coated with breadcrumbs. They will have no maida in it. They are going to be with, why should I tell you everything? Let's begin with the recipe and see what happens. So first, let me put the gas on. I've already put lots of oil in a kadhai over here so that while I'm preparing the fish fingers, the oil gets heated up. So now in this bowl, I am going to add strips of any white fish that you like. I am using ravas. You can use surmai as well. You can use basa as well. So here they are cut in strips like this. I'm just going to put them in a bowl. Now why I like this recipe is that it is very, very quick, very easy to make. No tam jham. Just every ingredient goes into one bowl and then they get fried. So I've got some egg here. The entire egg you break. One egg should be enough. And then I have some rice flour. Usually maida goes in a recipe like this, and it's the regular drudge and coat method. I am adding just a little rice flour to this bowl itself. Some dried herbs, some chili flakes, salt and pepper to taste. Now if you want, you can add the salt and pepper directly to the fish first and then add the fish to this bowl. But I am just trying to speeden up the whole process. So here, I have added everything in this bowl and I am just going to coat the fish with all these ingredients. So now this is well coated with all the ingredients. Now I'm going to take a plate, and over here I'm going to add some red rice poha. It's a way healthier poha and definitely more healthy than breadcrumbs. Okay, so I am going to now coat each of these fish fingers with this red rice poha before I fry them. So just add them one by one with your wet hand, then use your dry hand to coat it completely. Similarly, the other fish too. Alright, so now this is done. So now let's begin with the frying. The oil is hot. Let's just check it. Yes, it's sizzling. When you add something, it should sizzle and come on the surface of the oil, which shows us that it is hot. The oil shouldn't be too hot as well, because then what will happen, it will brown immediately and the fish might not get cooked from inside. Although fish hardly takes any time to get cooked, but still it's always better to be careful. That's it. Now just stir it slightly. You don't want to fiddle with it too much. Fish is very soft, so you don't want to break it. Just let it cook. Nice golden color. The moment you're going to get that, it's going to be out of the wok. Alright, this looks nicely done, and we take them out on a plate on which I have put an absorbent paper so that whatever is, excess oil is there, that can be absorbed by this paper. As you can see, just in a few minutes, the dish is ready, right? Now let's just get ready for the final presentation and you can bite into them. Alright, so now I have this lovely little presentation technique. I've got some parchment paper on a jali wala platter, so to speak. All my fish fingers go on this. I've got some tartar sauce ready. You can make it with sour cream or with mayonnaise. Mine has some gherkins and some onions. And then I have some paprika powder here. Just a little pinch on top to add a little color. This is not spicy, so for children, it's perfectly all right. Some parsley, finely chopped parsley on top. All right, and voila, our fish fingers for New Year's are ready. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and I hope you enjoyed the New Year's Eve too. The reason why I try and make easy and quick recipes is, you don't want to be stuck in the kitchen all the time, do you? So I hope you can share this with all your friends and family that visit you. And don't forget to share and subscribe to Being Amrita Chef and Beyond. That's the YouTube channel. And I will see you in the new year. Bye-bye. Happy New Year.